In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the locked join button in Roblox when an experience says the content isn't accessible. Intro. First, return to the Roblox home screen and tap the free line menu in the top left corner of the screen and tap Settings. From Settings, select Privacy and Content Restrictions, and at the top of the page, choose Content Maturity. Your account may be set to minimal by default. To access more experiences, you'll need to verify your age first. And once your account is verified, move the content maturity slider to a higher level that matches the experience you're trying to join. Now return to the games page and open it again. The locked join button should be replaced with the green play button, allowing you to launch the experience. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.